We'd like to welcome every person to our first hackathon. We're here with Code Crunch and with people from in person and through virtual online through Zoom.
How we see the future, not only with blockchain, but how we see technology evolving from these next years until 2030.
Something like Cardano, it's very feature-rich. It's a huge ecosystem. Appeals to me, and I feel is still the most important part of it. It's money that can belong to anybody. So you can control your own money. You can have it in your own wallet.
Quiero compartir todo el conocimiento que tengo y todo el conocimiento que existe dentro del ecosistema de Cardano, porque pienso que es muy valioso para todo el que quiera incursionar en el mundo de blockchain. Y pues qué mejor que hacerlo en una universidad. Pues los alumnos siempre tienen más ideas frescas. Espero que sí más estudiantes incursionen más en esto de blockchain y Cardano.
Success for this event is measured like if we can get the students that participated here to build dApps, and those dApps become, companies, and those companies become digital entrepreneurs on blockchain, that would be success. That's what we look always on the different events that we go to different universities. Things like this have happened, right? Like we have gotten some students that came here, watch a conference, and find out something interesting, and then they build applications. In the Cardano ecosystem, there is something called Catalyst, and Catalyst is like a distributed venture capital. So the ecosystem invests in the students themselves. They have like a proposal, and that proposal may or may not get financed, but once it gets financed, they build solutions, and that has started from events like this. Hopefully we will get an interesting project company started from today.
Estamos en un mundo de disrupción en cuestión de tecnología. Hay demasiadas tecnologías que podemos nosotros como estudiantes elegir. Para mí, la tecnología con la cual está soportada Cardano es una de las mejores tecnologías, ya que es programación funcional. Cardano es un ecosistema súper abierto, y entonces ustedes pueden incursionar dentro de Cardano, incluso si no conocen nada de la tecnología, si no conocen nada de blockchain. Es muy fácil poder incursionar y poder ser parte de Cardano ustedes como estudiantes.
I list it for 1,000, someone tries to give me 500, that's going to return false right there.
And there are opportunities now. We are living in the 1920s of the last industrial revolution. We are living now in the fourth industrial revolution beginning. Everything is to be made, and you guys have us if you need anything.